welcome to the Teaching Corner. My name is Mama Norris and we've been doing a college series. So far we've talked about ready-made meals, we've talked about foods that we can heat up in the microwave, and today I'm going to talk to you about foods that only require water. So there are several things that you can do. All you really need to do is get yourself a nice little mug and you can make some things in the microwave with water. So first of all, for breakfast, you can make yourself grits. Just heat up some hot water. You can make yourself some hot cereal. For lunches, you could do things like ramen noodles. They do have the ramen noodle cups. I just didn't have any here at the house. You could do yourself some macaroni and cheese. You can do these pouches of mashed potatoes. If you love mashed potatoes, do another side, like, maybe some soup and potatoes or something like that. And they come in various different flavors. All you have to do is add hot water. And then also you can make Jell-O just using some hot water and then some cold water and throw that in the refrigerator if you want some kind of dessert. Now, we also know how important it is for you to drink your water. While you're at college, it's important to stay hydrated, so you want to get yourself some kind of nice little water jug, and then there's several things you can add. You can just add these little packets of like Crystal Light to your water. You can add these water drops like this to flavor your water. You could make some lemonade if you want to. You just need a pitcher for this, but you can make yourself some lemonade. Another wonderful thing is to get yourself a nice little mug, and you can have all kinds of hot beverages. So in the winter time, if you get cold, you can make yourself some hot chocolate. You can do pour over coffee. If you don't have a coffee pot, just get the little thing that you put on top with the filters, pour the coffee in it, and you can have pour over coffee, or making yourself a nice cup of hot tea. I love flavored tea. Tea is one of my favorite things, but also if you're not feeling well, echinacea tea is good for you. Put a little bit of honey and lemon in there. It'll help with your throat if you ever get a sore throat. So remember to drink your water and remember that you're loved and there's nothing you can do about it. If that was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye.